Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I wanted to show you how to resize the images for the headlines and highlights or announcements section of your webpage. So we looked at going to the image editor in SchoolWires. Okay, there is a link to this in a shared form. I will send it to you again if you need it, but I'm going to start by using the image editor. Okay, so the size that you need is 305 by 250, and then you need to hit enter. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter. It's going to size it to the size it has to be. Okay, you have to do this step first before you put it on your website. Okay, now I'm going to select my image, and I went ahead and pulled some. I'm going to use this STEMFair one. Okay, so that one's too small. It's not going to let me. So let me try a different one here. Okay, so see how it automatically sizes it? Okay, now I have to download it in that format. So I'm going to click on download. Okay, now you do need to take out the hyphens. Okay, SchoolWires does not like that. So I'm going to take that out and I'm going to hit save. Now when it's time to put it in the website, I can go in, and I believe this one right here. I'm going to go in and I select the file, browse. I'm going to use the cropped one, open, and I do not touch this height and width. Okay, this is what I want it to be at. Okay, once it's done, I'm going to insert image, save, refresh my page, and now you can see the difference. Now it's the correct size that we want it to be. Okay, so if this video doesn't clear it up for you, please let me know. But we need to make sure that all of the images are the correct size. And if it's too small, or if you've got some issues, let me know. I can certainly help you, but we do need to make sure that all of these are looking better. Okay.